Alpha Mind Power Online Live Classes by Sri Mata Vijayalakshmi Pandayan. Mobile app Alpha Mind Power.
Namaste. Today I am going to speak about menopause and your mind. This video is not meant only for women. Of course, women will definitely find it very useful, but this video is also meant for men. If you are a woman and you are watching this video, please watch it fully and it will be very useful to you. If you are a man and you are watching this video, then remember to share it with any woman in your family. It could be your mother, it could be your sister, it could be your daughter or your wife. Anyone who is going through this stage in life, you can just share it with them so that they benefit by watching it. Now, coming to menopause, what does menopause mean? Menopause simply means that the menstrual cycle that a woman begins during puberty is now slowly coming to an end. And this menopause stage is something which can happen within a few months for some people. And for some people, it takes even sometimes 2-3 years. Once the process begins, then slowly the symptoms are there, and for it to finally stop, it can take even 2 to 3 years for anybody. And generally, for a woman above 40 or sometimes above 45, it can start. For some women, it begins only at 50. So the age can differ, it can vary. There's a lot of information about that, we all know. But I am only going to talk more about the mind, how the mind functions at that stage. Of course, when menopause begins for any woman, the symptoms are there more in the body. She finds them happening more in the body. There are a lot of changes happening in the body. Hormonal changes are there. Certain secretions come down in the body. So what happens is the body goes through a big change. And because of this, what happens to the woman is she undergoes a lot of mood swings. It happens immediately. That is the first thing that a woman can notice, that suddenly she feels very depressed. At times she's all right, but suddenly she feels very depressed without any reason. And the depression really pulls her down. That can happen. Suddenly there can be a sadness in the mind. Again, for no big reason. Sometimes there can be a small thing which triggers it off. And then sometimes she feels a lot of anger for very, very small things. This is another symptom of menopause. Suddenly you lose that control. For very small things you get irritated and there is so much anger in the mind. And then there is also crying. Suddenly the woman finds that for very simple things there are tears in her eyes. She becomes very emotional. It is all because of the hormonal changes which are happening in the mind. And then there is a lot of tiredness. And also there is sometimes some people have excessive bleeding. And when there is excessive bleeding, what happens is the woman becomes anemic. And when a woman becomes anemic, what happens? She's tired all the time. She's unable to do anything. Some people experience a bloating sensation in the body. So altogether the body becomes a burden. And it's very difficult to go through even day-to-day life. That is how it is. And if the woman is a working woman, going to office, see, even women at home are also working, but then if she has to also go to the office, then managing the work at home and then managing the work at office, not being able to sit for a little while, that can really take its toll on her, both her mind and her body. Now, all these symptoms, the excessive bleeding, sometimes it can be treated with medicine. Doctors may give medicines when you go and consult them if there is excessive bleeding. But the other things which are more with the mind, the anger, the irritation, the frustration, the crying, the depression, the mood swings, generally medicine is not immediately given for these things. Even a doctor will say these are all normal when you're going through menopause. So it is better that you go through this stage. Do not take medicines just for that. But there is something that you can do for the mind also. The mind is also going through all this turmoil because of the hormonal changes in the body. So how can you do something with the mind? A very simple solution, and I have told this to many women in the more than 20 years that I have been teaching Alpha Mind Power. I have advised so many women. They have practiced it and they have really found a lot of relief. That is why I am speaking about this here, because I want this to reach many more women so that they can do this, they can practice this and find some relief if they are going through the menopause stage. The simple thing is that you meditate a little bit. At the alpha level, when the subconscious mind is open, it's a simple meditation. You can do it every day. At that level, you can speak to the different parts in your body. And here you can speak to the uterus. Now all these symptoms, everything that we spoke about, menopause itself is something to do with the reproductive system, of course, but mainly to do with the uterus, because the uterus is slowly bringing down its functions. It is going to completely stop. And that is why it is undergoing so much of turmoil. So the uterus is the organ that you can speak to. And the uterus, let me tell you, is a very, very receptive organ. So the uterus definitely responds to your thoughts, your emotions. So that is why at a meditative state, if you speak to the uterus now, you will really see that it works. How do you speak to the uterus? You go to the alpha level, be in a meditative state, which is a very powerful state. The subconscious mind is open. And at that state, just think about your uterus and speak with a lot of love and kindness and tell the uterus, you have been functioning for me for so many years. But now I understand that you want to stop slowly. You want to completely wind up, which is fine. But at the same time, I'm also seeing that you are causing so much difficulties for me physically and mentally. So I request you to go through this phase smoothly without causing much trouble to me, so that I can go through my day-to-day life easily. So please go through your stage, this stage where you want to end or stop your functioning. That is fine with me. But see that you do it smoothly, so that I can also do my work, my functioning every day normally and without much difficulty. If you speak like this to the uterus, you will definitely see a wonderful improvement there. If it is the beginning of your menopause stage, if you feel that maybe I'm just starting this process, then if you start doing this meditation, you will find that the entire process of menopause becomes very easy and smooth. And the periods will simply stop just like that slowly. But if you're already into menopause and you're already suffering from all the symptoms that I spoke about, then also if you start doing this meditation, those difficulties will come down. And the rest of it will become very smooth. So please try it. And it's not 1 or 2 days. You should meditate every day and speak to the uterus every day. And slowly you will see the improvement happening. Now, if you're a woman and you're watching this video, definitely please share it with your friends, whoever is maybe undergoing this menopause stage. It will be very, very useful to them. Now, at the same time, if you're a man, and you're watching this video, normally in YouTube videos, people say, if you like this video, subscribe to this channel, share, like and all that. I generally never say all that in my videos, because I believe that if you like the video, you will definitely feel like sharing it with your friends. But in this video, I'm definitely going to ask you to share it with any women in your life, in your family, your wife, your mother, or your daughter, or your sister, or maybe even a friend. If you feel that they may be in that age when menopause may be happening, please share this video with them. That is one thing you can do. And another very important thing that you can do as a man, if there is somebody in your family who is undergoing this menopause stage, then you can be very, very supportive to them. Number one, share this video with them also. Let them see it. Let them understand what they can do. The second thing which you can do, which is much more important, is that you can show to this person, either with maybe you can speak with your words, or you can show with your actions that you are there to support this person through this phase of life. Because that is what they need: emotional support, physical support, just like that. Just tell them, I'm there, don't worry. Whatever you can do, you do. If you can't do something, it's all right. We will manage. That feeling is what a woman needs at that time. When she's going through menopause, nobody can bear her pain. But if somebody tells her, don't worry, I'm there. Don't worry, let's go through this. Then it is a great support for that woman. So remember, you can do that, and that can make it much easier for her. So please share this video with whoever you know, who you think needs it. And if you are a woman, please start doing it today itself if you are going through that stage. And believe me, life will become much easier, your health will become much better, and you can complete this stage with very little difficulties. So all the best to you. Thank you.